During the weekend of the 25th and the 26th of April 2026 was Model World Live. I went on the Sunday and brought myself 2 mystery bags. This one is from Sawyer Models and the other one is from Oxford Rail. And the Oxford Rail is very interesting because with the show guide, which is this right here, I had it upside down, you can get a free model when you had this show guide. But if you pay £1 more, you get another model. So basically in the bag is 2 models from Oxford Rail. And there's the stamps that you get to receive your free model, and also you pay £1 more to get another model. And that's a very interesting offer actually. But also with the show guide, because it came in this bag right here, there is also a few other things that was in this bag, and this was on the arrival into the model show, which I'll show you right now. So in that bag, you had the show guide. You also had a magazine for Airfix Model World, a Horby magazine. Don't say anything in the Horby magazine. No, just the Horby magazine. Then you had a leaflet for model paint stuff and also rail stuff. Then you had some leaflets for Kernow Model Centre. Talk about them shortly because I have brought something interesting from Kernow Model Centre as they were there in attendance. Also the Key Model World shop, which had a few locomotives on the back. Ellis Clark Trains, a leaflet from them. And also a leaflet from Model U. In fact, I'm going to be honest with you, I would love to get myself scanned for Model U. Honestly, I would. If you fancy a SimOnTrains on your layout, put it in the comments down below. And also, there was another leaflet for the Market Deep in Model Railway Club, which honestly, I do love to attend their show one day. I haven't been to their show. But anyway, let's get on to the goodies there, shall we? And we shall start with Oxford Rail. So there's 2 vehicles in this bag. I don't know what they are. I was handed this bag and I put it straight into a bag. So I don't know what's in these. So you're going to get a live reaction from when I open them. Yep, there's 2 vehicles and something in there. Oh yeah, that's their leaflets or their booklet brochure, which is in the bag. So this is the first time I've seen these vehicles. I'll go with the right first. Okay. This is let me get it. Range Rover 2013 Luxor. Very interesting. I don't think there you go. Now that is a modern car, and I've actually got an idea for this car because what I brought for the Kernow Model Centre, I have an idea in my head about a layout. So this, it's definitely 00, is it? 176, yep, 00 gauge. This would be nicely for this layout. And the other vehicle that I got, again, I don't know what it is until I see it. Getting out of the bag now. Is another car. This one is a Sunbeam Radiator Mark III in Moonstone Moroccan Brown. I'll just put it up to the camera there so you can see it. All the items that are on lease, I will put photos of them on this video, so you will see them close up. But honestly, I might have a use for this still, but I'm not sure. So they're the 2 vehicles that I got from Oxford Rail. In fact, I'm going to put them back in the bag. And let's get on to the other one. Sawyer Models. Now, as you can see, this is actually sealed, so I don't know what's in this bag. So let's open it up now and let's take a look. Oh, I need some scissors. And guess what? I don't have any scissors. Oh, there we go. Started to open them. Oh, okay. It's also stapled as well. This is absolutely... there we go. Now it's open. There you go. So, I don't know what's in this bag. So I'm going to put my hand in now. Ooh. Leaflets. Leaflets. Let's go through them. So this was for the Saddleworth Charity Model Railway Exhibition in aid of for the guide dogs. This is actually on the 2nd, 3rd and 4th of May. So that's very soon. Oh, this one's interesting. Model Rail Crew. Definitely worth going to this Model Rail exhibition. I will be there myself at the end of May. It is on the 31st of May. And hopefully this should be a good show. Do recommend this one. And then we also got the Leaf Festival of Model Railways and Transport Modelling. I think this one's in September. Yep, September. Wouldn't mind going to that one, to be honest. And an advert for Sawyer Models. A flyer. Oh, then the Liverpool Model Railway Exhibition, which is on the 5th and 6th of September. But no, seriously, let's see what else is in the bag. Ooh. Okay, so I did hear something rattling in this bag, and this is the thing that was rattling. Oh, figures. That's cool. At least I'm not running out of figures anymore. What gauge are these? Eve model. I'm guessing this might be HO. Because there's writing that's not in English, so I'm guessing these are HO models. They don't say what scale they are, to be honest. But I reckon this is HO. Very interesting. Next, we've got... Ooh, we'll take this one. I think we got some our... some Horby track. The little ones. I'll be posting photos of these so you get a proper look. But this is their Horby track. I don't know what... I think it's our... I think I might have to open this just to find out. Tape's tough on this. There, just open it that way. Right, it's alright, I'm opening it up. R610. So some R610 Horby track. Next in the bag. Ooh. We've got something round. Oh, humble acrylic. Some paints. That's 243 malt. Very interesting. That could be useful in the future for some model railway stuff. Let's see what else is in the bag. Oh, I like this. This looks interesting. Oh, it's a wagon. It's a ban. 00 gauge ban. Very nice. I can add this to the layout that I got planned, but it's not the layout that I'm thinking about. If you get what I mean. So that's very interesting. And I think we've got one more item in here. Yep, one more item. Yep, bag's empty, so whatever I got left is in this hand. And it's, ooh, a British Railways van. Don't know how it's going to show here, but yep, British Railways van. And that is from Sawyer Models. So that's a good lineup from Sawyer Models. That's a good lineup from Oxford Rail. But I did say I brought some from Kernow Model Centre. And it's actually just here. Now I had this idea for a layout because I do have a little shelf that's hidden away. And I was going to use this for a steam layout set in South Wales. Like a little halt that's on ground level. But I might use this shelf for this new idea that I do have. Only if I could find a certain item. And I do have this certain item on me. Which is this. This is a complimentary GW... Get my teeth in. Complimentary GWR style weighted shelter. Now this one is based on the railways around Cornwall, especially like on the Falmouth Dock branch. But also these weighted shelters can be found on the Heart of Wales line at certain locations. And I brought this weighted shelter because I want to do a Heart of Wales line layout. Because I've been looking at the Curoscale Class 153 DMUs. And I think I'm getting myself one in Transport for Wales livery. And wouldn't mind doing a little Transport for Wales, Heart of Wales line layout in the modern era. And also, when I mentioned, which one is it there? When I mentioned about this Land Rover, this would be good for that layout. So a nice little modern layout as well. Just a single bit of track with the unit going back and forth. Railway station. Basically like a halt on the Heart of Wales line. And that's what I do have planned. Which is why I brought this weighted shelter from Kernow. I'm actually going to post up a real picture of that right now. This is the one at Bucknell Station. And you can definitely see it's definitely the same style weighted shelter as I got here. I'm not going to get out of the box because it's a bit of a pain to get out of the box. But hopefully I will show you a photo of it as well. And that is all the haul that I've got from Modern World Live. I have filmed some layouts in attendance. I haven't filmed many though. I've filmed about 5 because I'm doing a different kind of style to these videos. And the first one will be going up very shortly. So if you do want to hit the subscribe button, it is really appreciated. And it helps to grow the channel. And I've been SimOnTrains. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.